stop. Don't scroll. Watch this video. Please, I ask you, do not scroll. You're not going to like what I'm going to say, but do not scroll. I've got a company. I went into the online space that changes my life financially. This extra income that you can create for yourself. No, you're not going to sell any products. You're not going to run around. You're not going to do anything. It's only a simple way of sharing a link to start your business and your financial freedom. All that you have to do is to share a business link to the world out there. And that is the way I changed my family's life, my fully income, to bring something extra into my household to help with our day-to-day living expenses. And the best of this company is, it's going to cost you money. Yes, it's going to cost you money. No business out there doesn't cost money. And if you want to make money, you have to put money into it. So, this company gives me a growing monthly income. And every Thursday as well. That is because I'm working on my business. Because I want to get financial freedom somewhere in my life. I don't want to hassle about every month. If you're in your 9 to 5 and you say that your salary is enough for you to come through your month, you're lying. You know you can't get through with it. So while you're in your 9 to 5, start this business to make a difference in your life. Something that you got that's working behind you in the background, working for you to earn in US dollars. And if you're smart and you do what you have to do, you can quit your 9 to 5. Because this business giving you a monthly increase on your monthly growing income. And they reward you on every Thursday for every person that you give this business. They reward you also every Thursday. So if you want to know how you can change your 2026 in your bank account, your financial life, your family's life, your children's life, your grandkids' life, this is what you have to do. And this company is so amazing. It's willable. Yes, you heard me correctly. It's willable. You can leave this business of you to your kids, to your husband, to your wife, doesn't matter. And they're not going to start from scratch. No, they're going to go on where you stop. So if you want to become financially free in your life, this is the opportunity for you. And if you want to know how I did it, you can put for me in the comments, club, and I will come back to you. Gladly, I will come back to you and I will tell you exactly how you can start earning your own business and earn your own salary that you set for you. Because you are going to do the work. You're not going to work for your boss to fulfill his dreams. You're going to work for yourself to fulfill your dreams and a lot more. So I'm waiting for that comment club in my comments, and I will come to you and I will tell you exactly what you need to do to get to this and to get your financial freedom. Great day. I'm waiting for all of you. And remember, quality is always better than quantity. Good day.